Gravitational field. We know that there is a force around the earth which attracts every body towards itself. That force is called gravitational force. Gravitational force is a force around the earth which attracts every body towards itself. And this force creates a field around the earth, and that field is called gravitational field. Gravitational field exists all around the earth. So when this force exists all around the earth, so it attracts every body towards its center. This is the example of non-contact force. And this field or forces are strong when the object is near the earth, and when the object moves far away from the earth, so these forces becomes weaker and weaker. So these forces, the force of gravitation is strong near the center of the earth or near the earth. When the objects move far away from the earth, so this force becomes weaker and weaker. Gravitational field strength. In the gravitational field of the earth, gravitational force per unit mass is called gravitational field strength. It means that in the gravitational field of the earth, the force of gravitation which is acting on the mass of a body, this force is called gravitational field strength, and its value near the earth is equals to 10 Newton per kilogram. We can find out the value of force of gravitation with the help of a formula. F is equals to capital G. This is the gravitational constant. Me over r square. Me, this is the mass of the earth. Small m, this is the mass of the body. And r square, this is the distance of the body from the center of the earth.